Want to mirror your iPhone screen to your computer, TV, or another device? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable screen mirroring on iPhone. Now let's get started. To enable screen mirroring on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then tap the screen mirroring icon. Select the device you want to screen mirror to. If you're logged into the same Apple ID on both devices, mirroring will begin right away. If they aren't logged into the same Apple ID, you may need to click Accept on your computer to continue. Your iPhone screen will then be mirrored to your computer or TV that you've selected. To stop mirroring, tap the screen mirror icon at the top of your iPhone and select Stop Mirroring. That's all it takes to enable screen mirroring on iPhone. Want to record your iPhone screen? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.